Hey guys, Yus here back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to use a relay module. First, let's see how it works. We have in total 3 pins in over here and 3 pins out. Actually, those two are the same. We have normally open, normally closed, and common, and we have ground, 5 volt, and pin in. The system is like this. It works like a switch. When the in button is on 5 volt, we push it and we have a complete circuit here. So we can put, for example, a light or anything we want to put here to control. The in, we can control it with any device we want. It could be an Arduino, a Raspberry, or other devices, or any other microchip. So we will reproduce the same schematic with our relay module. The first thing to do is I took an Arduino and connected to a breadboard. So first, what I'm going to do is to plug the power 5 volt to the red wire, and the ground to the ground. What I want is to put a switch, a button switch right here, and to control my relay using this button without any programming skills. So the first thing to do is to put 5 volts connected to 5 volt here to one pin of the button switch. Take my relay, connect the power to 5 volts, connect the ground to the ground, so take the other pin, actually not this one, and connect it to the in pin. So if we power our Arduino, what is happening right now is everything is connected, and if I click, the relay is on, and if I click stop clicking, the relay is off. We're gonna test it with the real source connected to the relay to see how it's performed. Actually, what I've done is I put the same cable in one side of it in common and the other one is normally open, which is I just put one here and one here. So I will put here a screen to test if it's going to work or not. So I have right here a screen, and I'm going to power it using this cable. screen is here, the Arduino is here. It's just to see if it's working or not. Well, first step, powering the Raspberry, the Arduino. Everything is working. When I click, oh, actually it's not plugged in. I need to plug it in first. Well, right now the result, and if I click, it's working. And as you see, if I stop clicking, power off, power in, power off. Right now I'm using this circuit, but you can program the Arduino. When you click one, it's always on, and when you click a second time, it's off. You can program a lot of things, like for example the automated door that I use for Emabot. It actually uses the same system. When you have the right RFID card, the system will turn on the relay, which gonna turn on the lock and open the door. I try to make it easy so you can understand how it's working, and you can actually use it in a lot of applications. You can control plugs, computers, TVs, etc., etc. The only thing that you have to pay attention to is the intensity of the power that is required to power whatever you want. I already know that the screen won't use 10 amperes, so it's safe. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and support us on Patreon if you want to see more projects like this, and see you for the next one.